Hi, I am Anand Krishna, practicing company secretary. I am practicing over more than 7 years. I am practicing in the area of litigation, compliance, etc. In this video, we discuss all about the corporate litigations. Litigation is nothing but the process of taking a dispute or the difference to the court for a legal remedy. Corporate litigation is all about the differences between the directors and the company, the difference between the shareholders and the company, the difference among employees and the company, or any differences that arise in an organization can be called as corporate litigations. There are several major players in the corporate litigations. Among to mention advocates, company secretaries, chartered accountants, cost accountants are the major or play the major role in corporate litigations. We need the importance of other laws as very much because we are working with various professionals like chartered accountants, advocates, and these people are going to represent so many cases in so many regulatories with so many regulatories that needs a certain guidance in the angle of company law, maybe in the angle of CPC or maybe in angle of labor laws, etc. If we have the knowledge of all these other allied laws, definitely it will help a lot to the other professionals also to understand and to represent, and to even ourselves sometimes we will also represent in some with some authorities. Definitely it will be a great helpful. Advocate Sri Vivekananda, practicing advocate, and also he is a company secretary, member of our institute, partner VGB Associates, Bengaluru. He says all about the company secretaries who is having a knowledge of other laws as a double sword edge, because company secretaries will understand both, or they are the live wire between the company directors and other professionals. So it is a very important role for the company secretaries in any corporate litigations. See, as a company secretaries, we are all most of the company secretaries we are working in compliance area. I will tell you practically, a good litigator needs the knowledge of compliance. At the same time, a compliance people who wants to enter into the litigations should also have the knowledge of law. Think about the advocates. They are going to represent with various authorities. We need to understand what to represent, how to represent the same facts in a different manner. These needs expedition in other laws. For example, I will tell you, I was working with some advocates where the real matter was with the basic question of a jurisdiction. If the advocate fails to go for the proper jurisdiction and we are not guiding them, it is a great problem for the company. The company will go to the pillar to post, post to pillar for searching a jurisdiction. These are all the smaller things I am telling. As the litigation progresses, it is the application of the law which is more important. Litigation is nothing else but application of the real knowledge of the law. And also I will tell you, as a company secretaries or any other professionals, we are all subservient to law, not to any other companies or not to any other directors. So we need to have the knowledge of law. I personally come across with so many other professionals. They all appreciates the work of the CS. They are all called CS as a 360-degree coordinators, which gives a immense satisfaction for sometimes as a CS professional. At the end, I want to say the company secretaries will play a huge role in ADRs, that is alternate dispute resolution systems. There is an arbitration, there is the other tribunals, except courts we can represent in almost all the area. Today in any litigation, it is the need of the knowledge at this hour, the application of the knowledge at this hour, nothing else. As a company secretaries, we are having a knowledge of law and we have the competitive knowledge, we have a competitive edge over so many professionals. It is only matter of a time. I will tell every company secretary to come to the area of these resolutions where really developing, like IBC is the developing code, where law is not settled. So they need lot of help from the company secretaries. Like this, so many areas are there. As India is growing with a 5 trillion economy, lot of scams are happening. As a governing professionals, the regulators need them, regulators will need the company secretaries. So many other professionals need the help of the company secretaries. Companies itself need a company secretaries. So I think uh, it is the right time for the company secretary to enter into the emerging areas. Thank you.